Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to use Notion Calendar. Notion Calendar is a feature within Notion, a versatile productivity and note-taking application that allows users to create and manage calendars for various purposes. It integrates seamlessly with Notion's databases, enabling users to visualize database entries as calendar events. Open your web browser on your PC and go to the Notion website. Enter your email and password to access your Notion account. On the left side of the screen, you will see a list of options. This is your dashboard. Find and click on the option to add a new page. Choose Calendar from the template options. On the right side of the screen, you will see options like scheduling links. Turn this on if you want to share your calendar with others. You can look for your scheduled meetings here. This lets you set times when you are not available. Easily set up short meetings with this feature. Click on Week at the top of the calendar. Here, you can choose to view your calendar by day, week, or month, or select a customer number of days. On the left side, you will see your email and linked calendars like Outlook. You can choose to show holidays from different countries. Change the color coding for different events to make your calendars easy to read. Click on the three dots next to a calendar name and choose Remove from List. For example, you can add a database for travel plans. Click on Add Notion Database and select what you need. Click on Open in Notion to see the full details like name, status, date, and places. If you need to check something else, you can navigate back to your main calendar, go to specific plans like travel plans, and add more information as needed. Click on the three dots and select Manage Workspace. In the General section, you can enable week numbers, decline events, and weekends. Choose which day your week starts. Set how you want to navigate through your calendar. Select your preferred language, time format, and time zone. Change the theme to light or dark mode. Click on Notifications to set browser notifications and default event reminders. Go to the Calendar section and link your Google Calendar account. Set up default conferencing providers and settings. Go to your profile and set your full name and username. After making all of these adjustments, click Done to save your settings. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.